Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Arish Asif Khan and today we will talk about density and temperature unit 7th from class 9th physics book Federal Board National Book Foundation. So let's talk about internal energy and variation in physical properties. Basically, internal energy is the total energy of all particles in a substance. It includes kinetic energy and potential energy both. Kinetic energy is the energy due to movement of particles like translation, rotation, vibration, etc. And potential energy is due to forces between particles. An important point to note is that in gases, only translational kinetic energy is considered, not rotational or vibrational. And heating a substance increases its temperature and hence its internal energy. Internal energy increases due to increase in kinetic energy of particles. As you can see, I also have an example of thermal energy. In thermal energy, you have translational energy, rotational energy, you even have vibrational energy. As you can see, the particles. Okay. Now, variation in physical properties as a tool of measuring temperature. As temperature increases, kinetic energy also increases. जी मेरी रोटी हाँ एक बनानी है बस. As temperature increases, kinetic energy also increases. Some physical properties change with temperature. This is called a thermometric property. These changes are used to make thermometers. Expansions of liquid. Liquid expand on heating. Mercury and alcohol thermometers use this property. More heat is equal to more expansion and higher temperature. Now the variation of volume and pressure. Gases are used in thermometers using pressure or volume change. Constant pressure gas thermometer, the volume changes with temperature. The constant volume gas thermometer, the pressure changes with temperature. Basically, we have two types of laws, Gale-Lussac's law and Charles' law. In Gale-Lussac's law, it states that pressure is directly proportional to temperature. But in Charles' law, it states that volume is directly proportional with temperature. Variation in color of crystals. Some liquid crystals change color with temperature. These are used in medical thermometers and baby bottles. Now we have resistance thermometers. They are also known as thermistors. The resistance of some materials change with temperature. They are used in labs and the industry. We have also bimetallic strip thermometers. They are made up of two metals that expand differently. They're used in ovens, fridges, and room heaters. Different types of thermometers use these properties to measure temperature accurately. I hope you guys liked my lecture. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.